The BJP has been caught completely off guard by the Pawn Gate controversy. The party is red-faced, smelling blood. The arch-rivals have already started to go for the kill. Congress has demanded the resignation of the BJP CM Sadanand Gowda and has claimed that the party has no moral right to continue in power. The Bharatiya Janata Party had some hard luck. While the party CM in Gujarat got slammed by the state court for failing to handle the 2002 riots, in another incident, the party faced embarrassment after its ministers in Karnataka were caught watching sleaze videos while the House was in session. The party high command immediately went into a huddle and resignations were asked for to be submitted.
The national leadership of the BJP has taken note of what has happened there. It's unfortunate and uncalled, and certainly it demeans the political system, and we have no qualms in stating that. We have admitted that. The resignations have been taken and accepted, and the statement has been made by the leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party that we'll completely inquire into it, and whatever the strongest action would be taken against it.
The opposition benches were, however, not satisfied and demanded that as such acts committed within the political sanctum sanctorum, the BJP members should face severe penalty. The immoral ex-ministers now face the probability of losing their legislator status as well. The Congress opposition has said that apart from being accused of an immoral act, the ministers had broken the law by entering the House with mobile phones, as it is not permitted within the Assembly. The BJP has refuted the charge.
The breach of privilege is not for people sitting outside the House, it's a breach of privilege for people sitting inside the House. And if there is a breach of privilege inside the House, any member is free to take up this as a privilege matter, not from the podium of the BJP in Delhi or from the press gallery.
BJP party spokesperson Rajiv Pratap Rudy has challenged the Congress's authority for questioning his party over scams and tainted leaders' induction. BJP party spokesperson Rajiv Pratap Rudy has challenged the Congress's authority for questioning his party over scams and tainted leaders' induction. The Congress had made a no-hold-barred attack on the BJP over its induction of tainted BSP leader Babu Singh Kushwaha.
Anis Ahmed Khan, who has been given a ticket and a symbol from the Congress party in Bilaspur in Pilibhit, who was thrown out from Mayawati's party on charges of corruption because Lok Ayukt had indicted him. So we certainly like to know on what basis a tainted man like him was also given a ticket, because he has been raising these issues.
With Uttar Pradesh polls in full swing, the two political parties have found yet another issue to thrash on.